Hey guys, thanks for tuning into our review channel. Guess what I have here? LED lights from Neewer. LEDs, awesome light. These are the old ones, these are the new ones. They're both softbox. Can you see the difference, what the big deal is? I do. You can see all the LEDs in this one, and this one you can't. Super nice softbox, really highly controllable, brand new LED panels from Neewer Lighting. Let's get to the unboxing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Review channel. Yes, I have a huge box here. I haven't done an unboxing for a while, and I wanted to bring this to you. So what we're doing today is something from Neewer, some LED thin lighting. LED, very thin, small panel lighting. These are the newest that I've found. These are super thin. They give you more light, and they use less power. Of course, they're all LED. But the best part of these, you don't see the bulbs like the older ones. These are really super smooth and super easy. So let's open this up. This is a huge box, first of all. Okay, this is a gigantic box. These are two big light panels. Each panel is roughly, I believe, 40 watts of light. So that's a lot of light, and they're compatible, and they're adjustable, and they're just super awesome. So here is one panel in here. Okay, so LED photography light, that's NL288A is the item number. And I'll leave a link down below, so if you're interested in picking up a set for yourself. I do recommend them. They're nice quality. I have a set of older ones here, and I like them. I use them a lot, and they're just really nice quality lights. So let's pull one out here. Let's pull out the two lights. Let's pull one out. That's one, and these are pretty big, and they're pretty heavy, I have to tell you. They are not small. They are light. They're not light at all. There's two of them. There's two, so it's a set of two in the box. And also two tripods to hold the light. So let's pull these out. One, two. Let's pull everything out here and lay everything on the table. Let's take a look at everything. Okay guys, so I took them out of the box, laid them on the table. Like I said, these are huge panels. So I got two sets of lights and two tripods. That's what the kit comes with. I'll leave a link down below, like I said in the beginning of the video, so you can take a look and see for yourself. These are the newest thin panel LED photography lights. If you're doing anything with eBay or any kind of photography, or if you're doing something with Facebook or Craigslist, I don't care. You need some good white light, well balanced. These are dialable. You can dial these in for different temperature, lighting, and so forth. These are really nice quality, but they're nice and big. They are not cheap. I tell you, these are nice quality lights. These are probably the best quality lights I've seen for the money. Let's take a look at the panels, each one of these panels, and you get two of these in the kit. So you get two of these light panels, and you get two tripods. Let's take a look what's inside the package. Of course, we get the light panel. We'll take a look at that in 1 minute. Put it to the side. We get some instructions here and customer service. Little manual here. You can take a look at that. Let's take a look at the specs real quick here. Give you a quick idea. Okay, so it's a slim light design, which is nice. So it says with 144 32,000 Kelvin light bulbs and 144 56,000 Kelvin lights, LED lights with backlit technology. So it variation from 32,000 to 56,000. Okay, so that's what's in here inside the panel itself. So you have total control over all your lighting whatsoever. So if you want something a little bit warmer, you want something a little bit brighter, you want something a little bit dimmer, you can control everything. Real simple to use, real simple to really digest the information, real simple on one piece of paper, really easy to install. So this kit did not come with batteries. You can run these off batteries if you want to. This kit came with the power supply, which I elected to do. Okay, so what's in the kit is a bracket. This bracket goes in the back, the back of the light itself. This is probably for the mounting onto the tripod, which makes sense. Quality of the plastic, nice quality so far. You can see that. That's personal. So if you're looking for a new light kit, I recommend these. Don't cheap out and get the less expensive ones, $69, $79. Honestly, upgrade, get this. I believe it was like $139 or $149, right around there. And it's just, you'll spend twice as much. Listen to me, I know, because I bought cheaper ones, now I'm buying the better ones, and you'll just spend twice as much. So buy the best ones that you can afford at the time that you need them. If it costs you an extra 20, 30 bucks, do it. It makes a lot of sense. And then we have the power supply, which is a nice quality cord, nice quality made. Okay, so take a look at that. Not cheaply made whatsoever. All right, it's got a nice flexible feel to it. not cheap at all. And this company's been around for a while, and they make nice quality products. They really do. I've had them before, and I'm very, very happy with the lights. Actually, the video I'm shooting this, the lights I'm using now to shoot this video are the older lights, and like I said, they do work good, but they just have that issue with the panel on them, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'll take one off here, you can see it, okay? So you can see how you can see the lights? So you can see all the LED lights in here. Nothing wrong with it if you're shooting far away, but if you're getting close and you're shooting something with some mirrors or something with reflection to it, reflection, you will see these LEDs in your shot. You don't want these. These are great, they work good, they still work great. I'm still gonna use them, but I'm just telling you, this is a better light. Okay, so it has a power cord. Like I said, this is the power cord here, and this is the power supply. Okay, so very, very simple. You plug the power cord into the power supply. All right, simple as that. You plug this in the back of the light. Real simple. And we'll take a look at the light panel in a minute. So let's put this off to the side. So we have that. And let's put this over here. And open that up. Put this to the side. And let's put this in here. Let's move this out of the way. And let's take a look at the light panel itself. So here is the light panel itself. Again, super thin. Look at that. That is thin. And it's a good size. This is a nice panel size. This is a lot bigger than the other one. So let's take a look at the dimensions real quick of this. So side to side, let's actually go across. So 14.5 inches across by 10 inches. And my old ones are a lot smaller than that. They are 8 by 7. So my other ones are 8. This is how my other ones are. They end up here, and by 7, 8 by 7. So my other ones are a lot smaller. Okay, these are a lot bigger. Nice, and you don't see the LED bulbs. Okay, like I told you, you don't see that. Let's turn it around. Now the back side is super simple. It's got 2 knobs. Okay, so very simple. So one is for the color temperature and one's for the brightness. So you have the white bulbs and you have the yellow bulbs basically. And they basically tell you can control the temperature overall. An on and off switch here, which is really easy to use. You can buy optional batteries. And I believe there's a Sony batteries this here, but I think there's Sony batteries. I'll leave them down below that are compatible with this. So you can actually take this on the road, pop 2 batteries in here. This will run quite a bit. It'll probably run you all day. So it really works well. So to put the backing on, so let's just take a look at that. So to put the back on is real super simple. Let me put this away. So all in all, nice quality. So we want to attach this bracket. Simple enough. And just unscrew the screw here. Okay, you take that screw out. You slide this in, lock it down. Super simple. Take the screw. You don't even need a manual for this, honestly. It's that simple, okay? And this actually locks on your tripod, locks into place, and then you can just tilt it any way you want. This is super, super slim. Look at that. That is really, really nice. I like this a lot. This is gonna give a ton of light. It's gonna look really, really cool. And let's just plug it in real quick. Let's take a look at how it performs real quickly. Any questions or any comments, leave down below. If you're interested in looking at some light kits, or if you're thinking about upgrading for lights, I think, honestly, for the money, this is the best value. I don't think you're gonna get any better, dollar for dollar. They really, really don't. They're nice quality lights and they work very, very well. So you plug in the power, you have an on and off switch, and you have a power selector. So one is for the AC, one's for the DC. So this is the DC, this is the AC here. Okay, so you want to turn on the DC power. It's basically the switch to the right, turns it right on. You can see it right there. And there you can see clearly. We're at 100% 56,000 Kelvin, and you can adjust that. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, so it is going dimmer. It's getting less and less at 56,000. So you can control the dimness and the brightness, and also you can control the temperature. Real easy. So here's 100%. Okay, now I'm going to show you the front. Remember how you saw the lights before with the LEDs? You don't see any LEDs at all. Look at that. Huge, huge difference, okay? You can change the temperature. A little bit warmer, you can adjust it. You can actually see right in the back, so you can actually color correct this exactly the way you want to, or you can just leave it on your camera in automatic. leave it on 56,000 and adjust the color any way you want to do. So it's a little bit warmer skin tone if you're doing some certain shots with certain products. But this is super easy to use, super easy to adjust. You get the feedback right here on the monitor, on the LED screen here. Tells you, and you can just lower it. Check this out. You can just make it soft as you want. Look at that. All the way down to 1%. Look at that. That is cool. That is really, really nice. Look at it. Nice and soft on the hand, right? And you can crank this up. This is the big light. This is a powerful light. This is super, super nice. You can see how it works on the skin. And that's at that's like nothing. Just crank this up. It's 40. Again, nice and white. You can add a little color to it. Nice and warm. It warms up the skin. You can see that how the skin just got warmed up in the skin tone. Okay, I'm at 56,000, 41%. Okay, let's do this. Let's do 44. And now you can see a little bit more of a yellow tint to it. So you can see that. All right, that's 44,000 Kelvin at 41%. So you can control this really. I like these quite a bit. These are super nice, super bright, and super compact. Light, thin, and easy to use. Any questions or any comments, leave below. As always, I do appreciate you tuning into our review channel. I want you to just show you these two lights. I'm going to put these side by side so you can see them. And you can see the LED lights, and you can see one on one and one not the other, right? You can see the bulbs in here, and you can't see the bulbs in here. And that is huge. And look at the size difference. All right? This is quite a bit difference. All right, these are super, super quality, super nice, a little bit thicker. I'll give you some light on that so you can see. These are thicker, and these are nice and thin. All right, guys, so here is my example. This is my unboxing of these really, really, really cool Neewer LED bulbs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate that. And also, let's do a quick look at the tripods real quick and take a look at the quality and see how that looks. The light kits have the same exact tripods in the other kit as well. Let's take a look at this. Feels pretty beefy. Not bad quality. I mean, standard size. You know, if you don't beat them up too bad, they should last you quite a bit. Not broken. Everything arrived nice and safe. A little beefier than the last pair. No, probably the same. Exact same tripods. They are all branded, of course, with their logo on them. And you just basically take the light here, like I told you before, put it on top. You snug it down with the light, with the lug nut, and you are good to go. And that is pretty much how you mount these on. Super simple. You just tilt them and you're good to go. You get some nice white lights. These are super nice quality. You can't go wrong with these tripods. So, all in all, I give these so far. I'll have to try them out, but I like them. I like the quality. Tripods feel well made. They'll support the light, I'm sure. The panels are nice and thin, and I like them very much. Okay, guys. Well, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing of these Neewer lights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like I said, don't spend twice the money. Get these lights. These are nice. I'll leave a link down below. If you're interested in getting your own lights, you can do so. Appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review.